Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial number 2 for this series about Excel. And in this tutorial we're going to learn about something called data validation. And data validation is actually pretty simple and it's a pretty nice feature. It allows you to pick, let's say if you have a cell, it allows you to pick multiple options instead of like writing it many times. So let's say if I have pass, fail, and not tested. And I don't want to keep writing that all the time. I just want it to be, I'll click on the cell and it would give me those options. So I'll show it to you guys. It'll be easier to understand when you see it. So I'm just gonna clean out this section, and this is really hurting my eyes. So I'm just gonna color it a nicer color because it really hurts the eyes. And I'm gonna do that. Okay. So that's probably worse, but it's whatever. Okay, and I'm just gonna make this look good and make this normal. Alright, so let's get started with this. So to do data validation, first of all, you have to go from the Home tab to the Data tab, and then I'll pick this section, which is this cell is the one that I want. I have the data validation in, and I'll press data validation. I'll press data validation again, and then I'll be sent to the settings right away. So usually people do data validation for values. What I want to do, I want to actually do it for a list of text. You can do it for a date, text length, you can do your custom, but for this tutorial I want to do a list. So I'll pick a list, and then I'll write what I actually want to be in this list. So I'll put pass, since I'm doing test cases, so I'll put pass, I'll put fail, I'll put, let's say, not tested, and then I'll put NA, for example. Alright, and actually I don't have to put the space right there. You don't actually have to put space, just write it, one word, and then comma, and then the next one. And then you press OK. So let's say if I launch the video, I launch the website, and it actually passed, all I have to do is actually press here, and then I press pass, and here you go. I don't have to write it, I'll just have to just pick it. I'm so lazy that I don't want to keep writing it every time, and that's why I'm doing that. And let's say I only have it for this cell, but I only have it for this cell, but I want it for the other cells. All I have to do, press here, and then drag it down, and I can only actually, you can just delete those, and then right here it's still going to be there. Let's say later on you're like, you know what, I really don't like this data validation thing, it's really annoying, how can I get rid of it? You press on, you can actually pick them all, and then go to data validation again, and all you have to do is clear all, press OK, and the data validation is actually gone. But I just want to have it because I want to show you. I'll press Control Z because I want to show you guys something else. But if I press Control Y, you guys will see that it's already disappeared because I canceled it. But oops. So I'll press Control Z again. It's still there. So one other option that I can do in data validation, you can actually input a message when somebody picks something. So if I put on is like, good job for picking this, and then I'll put a title, hi, or whatever, and then press OK. So every time I pick anything, or actually just hover over it, it says good job for picking, and then whatever I wrote, I don't know what I actually wrote, I don't know how to spell. Okay, so you can also do error alert for in case you do something completely wrong. Let's say I want to give a warning, and then I'll just write whatever. You are an idiot, because let's say if I came here and then I wrote something that's so dumb. He's like, you are an idiot. Continue, press yes. But that's probably not the nicest thing to say, but it just, if you want to put an error, you can actually not allow people to write anything except whatever you actually have by just using the stop one. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys understood what is data validation. It's a pretty useful feature when you have, let's say, 100 test case and you're trying to make it easier for the person who's testing. So it's a pretty useful feature. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day.